Hello. In order to create a gallery, if you want to make a co-creating space, you'll just click the menu icon up here, and you're going to click New Gallery, and you're going to give it a name. So I'm going to call it Harold's Gallery, and click Create Gallery. When I'm doing this, I'll get a 5-digit code, and everyone I give this code to can join my gallery. The gallery would start with the 4 spaces to join, but as soon as it's more than 4, you will create more spaces automatically. You don't need to do anything to do this. Please note, anyone joining the gallery will only see what they have built inside the white drawing pad. If they build outside, it will be hidden. And if you want to update your gallery, just click the update button here, and it will automatically download all the new models that have been joining. Thank you for watching. This is how you make a gallery.